evolution, the menstrual cycle, and theoretical overreach. In this article, Jeff Kiesner, Tori Eisenlohr-Moll, and Jane Mendel write in their abstract. A considerable body of recent psychological research has attributed a variety of menstrual cycle-related changes in social behavior to evolutionarily adaptive functions. Although these studies often draw interesting and unusual conclusions about female emotion and behavior within evolutionary theory, there are significant limitations to these studies that have not been addressed in this literature. In the present paper, we outline several methodological and conceptual issues related to the menstrual cycle that constitute threats to the internal validity and theoretical integrity of these studies. Throughout the paper, we recommend specific guidelines to address these issues, and we emphasize the need to apply more comprehensive and sophisticated theoretical structures when considering menstrual cycle-related changes in emotion and behavior. Summary. The authors have discussed two important conceptual issues that have not been adequately addressed in research attributing menstrual cycle-related behavioral changes to hypothesized evolutionarily adaptive functions. The lack of attention to these conceptual issues suggests that this area of research may be addressing behaviors that, although correlated with the menstrual cycle, have no functionally adaptive role that is specific to the menstrual cycle or the theory being tested. In the absence of more sophisticated models that acknowledge individual differences in the vast array of interconnected physiological, physical, social, and psychological changes associated with the menstrual cycle, explicit justification for the selection of target phenotypes, and more robust controls for confounds, continued use of the ovulation-focused evolutionary framework is misguided. Finally, in the statement of public significance, the authors write, research attributing evolutionarily adaptive functions to menstrual cycle-related changes in psychological and behavioral variables has overlooked key aspects of the menstrual cycle that could explain study results. More sophisticated theories and methods will be required to fully test the evolutionary hypotheses proposed in the literature. Recommended guidelines are presented. Kiesner, J., Eisenlohr-Moll, T., and Mendel, J., 2020. Evolution, the Menstrual Cycle, and Theoretical Overreach. Perspectives on Psychological Science. A Journal of the Association for Psychological Science.